Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to delete your order history in Swiggy. So let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, currently Swiggy does not allow users to directly delete their order history from the app or from the website. But there are two main methods you can use to request deletion. The first one is by contacting Swiggy customer care. You can go ahead and open the Swiggy app on your phone or on your desktop and just go to the help section. Start a chat with the Swiggy customer care team, and you may receive a call from their support team. Just go ahead and explain your request, ask them to delete your order history, and the team will process your request and help you remove it. This is the quickest and easiest way for most users. Second method is by sending an email to Swiggy. Just go ahead and open your email app, Gmail or whatever, and go ahead and compose an email. Write an email to support@swiggy.in. Use a subject like request to delete Swiggy order history, and in the body, just explain your issue and include your account details like phone number or registered email. Just send the email and the Swiggy team will get back to you and guide you through the process. So once again, you can't manually delete your order history in Swiggy from the app itself. Instead, you must either contact customer care or email support@swiggy.in to request deletion. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!